Imagine you are teaching your first Qi Gong class. The room, park, or beach is filling up with people. In 2025, what do the people gathering need the most from a Qi Gong class? In 2025, what skill set should a Qi Gong teacher have? In my experience, most people who come to a Qi Gong class want and need to reconnect to their embodied lives, to restore their sense of vitality, to explore subtle energies and connections, to relearn, to relax and find their inner tranquility, and to reawaken their birthright of spiritual reunion. Modern life keeps most of us in chairs, feeling restless and overstimulated, moving through cycles of motivation and burnout. The Qigong exercises, principles, forms, and skills that help people recover from modern life sound like the best skill set to start with. In the beginning, simply opening your joints, reconnecting your limbs, hips, and waist, relearning to breathe like a baby, while exploring the foundations of conscious movement and breathwork, and rediscovering embodied emotional release and some stillness are enough. After that, Qigong is an ocean of personal, energetic, and spiritual possibilities.